rebirth, transition, purification, freedom, creativity, abundance, and wealth. Urye was born in a burst of passion, and much of what is associated with Urye is of that nature. In ancestral thoughts, an individual crosses two rivers in its cycle of birth, death, and reincarnation, which manifests on a physical plane as the paleness of a newborn baby and the paleness of a corpse. In the process of reincarnation, an individual must therefore cross Uwamiri, the water world, the realm of Urye, which itself is as vast and populous as the world we call our own. It is from Uwamiri that individuals, in their transition, meet Obanje spirits, those who belong in the world of water, but latch on to your cosmic essence in order to sneak into the world of earth. It is also in the transition that individuals meet Di and Wunye Miri, or spirit spouses, individuals who either fall in love with you in the process of transitioning, or you make a pact of love or marriage with in the process, and therefore follow you into creation in order to rekindle this relationship, appearing in dreams and waking visions. I can do a video on spirit spouses if you're interested, so comment below and let me know if you want.